Welcome to Spring Lib.
Hey everyone, today we're solving problem number 24 from chapter 17 of the textbook, which asks us to define an index fund. So, part of defining an index fund is going to be defining what a mutual fund is. So let's read what a mutual fund is. It says, purchasing a diversified group of stocks or bonds has become easier in the internet age, but it remains something of a task. To simplify the process, companies offer mutual funds, which consist of a variety of stocks or bonds from different companies. The financial investor buys mutual fund shares and then receives a return based on how the fund as a whole performs. In 2012, according to the investment company Factbook, about 44% of US households had financial investment in a mutual fund, including many people who have their retirement savings or pension money invested in this way. Mutual funds can focus in certain areas. One mutual fund might invest only in company stocks based in Indonesia, or only in bonds issued by large manufacturing companies, or only in biotechnology companies as stock. At the other end of the spectrum, a mutual fund might be quite broad. At the extreme, some mutual funds own a tiny share of every firm in the stock market, and thus the mutual fund's value will fluctuate with the overall stock market's average. We call a mutual fund that seeks only to mimic the stock's overall performance an index fund. So again, a mutual fund that only seeks to mimic the market's overall performance, that is what an index fund is. And remember, a mutual fund itself is a variety of stocks or bonds or assets essentially from different companies. So there you have it. That is how we would define an index fund. If you guys enjoyed my explanation of this problem, please hit the like button next to the video. I hope you all have a nice day, and thank you for watching.